to the PITSS.CON Unused Objects Analysis and Removal video. In the next few minutes, we'll demonstrate for you how you can identify unused objects and remove them from your forms modules within PITSS.CON, the world's top Oracle forms analysis, engineering, and migration tool. Now, when we say unused objects, we define that term as PITSS.CON code that has been developed but no longer used or referenced by other Oracle Forms objects. In preparation for this demonstration, the forms modules and database schema have been loaded into the PITSS.CON repository. After that, we parse the forms modules and database objects with PITSS.CON's application analysis module. Without further delay, let's begin the demonstration. To get to unused objects analysis, we select application engineering and then open up unused objects analysis. Although the user interface is very simple and easy to use, the unused objects analysis tool is very powerful. It can identify unused objects in forms modules, PITSS.CON libraries, menu modules, object libraries, reports modules, and database objects. For this demonstration, we're only going to identify program units in the 5 form modules that are indicated on the left side of the screen. So for that, we'll deselect these options. After that, all we have to do is click Run Task. It's going to take a few moments, and when it's complete, it'll put the results on the right side of the screen here. And just like Forms Builder, it groups all of your objects by object type. And if you actually count up all of the unused objects in this case, the total will come to about 40 program units. So now that we have the results, we want to remove this dead code out of our form modules. So the next step is to create a pool. To do that, we go to our pool manager by clicking here. Now we don't have a pool yet for our unused objects, so we're going to create a new one. We'll call it Unused Objects. After that, all I have to do is make sure you select Replace Pool with Results, and then run task against the pool. And now, your form modules and unused objects, most importantly, are loaded into the pool. So now that we have our pool defined and also saved, we are ready to remove these unused objects out of our form modules. So we're going to close out of our pool manager and also out of unused objects analysis, and then go to our development module, and then open up copy reference objects. Now this is where we'll be removing our unused objects out of the form modules, but before we begin, we have to apply our pool that we just created. Now when we apply our pool, it'll be indicated by the yellow background here. Now when we're ready to start deleting the unused objects, we're going to click Delete Objects. And then since we only identified program units, we're going to specify program units in the object type field. And now we are ready to delete the unused objects. So all we have to do is click Run Task Against Pool. And as you see, just as expected, there were 40 total unused objects calculated in Unused Objects Analysis, and Copy Reference Objects tool removed 40 unused objects. And from here, we have successfully removed all of our unused objects. Now where you want to go from here in PITSS.CON is up to you. You can generate a report to identify that the correct objects were removed, or you can continue to work on additional forms or on these forms itself, or you can continue to write the updated form modules back to your file system. This concludes the Unused Objects Analysis and Removal video. This is one of the many examples of how PITSS.CON's robust functionality can aid forms developers in what could be lengthy tasks done manually, but instead completed by PITSS.CON rapidly within minutes. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you for your time.